Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious ice cream Yakult. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 3 small bottles of original Yakult, which provides that unique tangy flavor. Next, measure out 1/2 cup of heavy cream to ensure a rich, smooth texture. Finally, grab 2 tablespoons of condensed milk to add just the right amount of sweetness to our delightful treat. Now, let's mix our creamy base. In a medium bowl, pour in the 3 bottles of Yakult and the 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Whisk these together until they are well combined. Then, very gently fold in the 1/2 cup of heavy cream. The key here is to mix just until everything is incorporated, being careful not to overmix, which keeps the texture light and fluffy. It's time to freeze our delicious mixture. Carefully pour the combined ingredients into a shallow, freezer-safe container. A loaf pan works perfectly for this. Place it in your freezer for a minimum of 4 hours, or until it reaches a firm, scoopable consistency. For an extra smooth and creamy texture, remember to stir the mixture thoroughly every hour during the first 3 hours of freezing. Your homemade ice cream Yakult is now ready to enjoy. Take it out of the freezer and let it sit for a few minutes to soften slightly. Then, scoop generous portions into small bowls. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh berries or a light drizzle of honey. This refreshing and unique dessert is perfect for any occasion, offering a delightful balance of sweet and tangy flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.